So today I'm going to be wiring up some LED light strip bars like this. I installed them before on my car, but this time I'm going to be putting them where the hood vents are, where I had the Drake's muscle hood vents, and they'll shine right through there. So I already have a harness or two made up, and what we're going to do is we're going to fish the wire up inside here and ride along the inside, pop through here. Yes, I know, I gotta clean it. Besides the fact of that, it's a daily driver. And I'm gonna wire them up inside there, and then I'm gonna snake the wire through all the way over there to the other hood vent. And then after that, I'm gonna run it down to my fuse box, and then I will pop this open and I will wire in a new inline fuse tab so that we can share a block spot. But before snaking this down, we're going to take some of these down. And I'm going to take the camera off just for a second so I can actually get underneath there. I'm going to probably have to use a different tool that's a little wider. They sell these interior remover tools, and they work for pretty much all of your body pins. See, got that off. Just don't lose them, they're a little expensive. But yeah, we're going to keep going from there. Loosen a few of them so I can get in there without bending this. Alright guys, so you want to pop your first few pins out. Get behind them like this and slowly pry it out and take your time. Once you get your wire through, you can actually start to connect and get your lights in. First light's in over here. I did not brace it in yet or put it where I want it, but I'm just trying to get everything laid out first. Alright guys, so after you take out your two pins right here, and you snake your wires up from your pre-made harness, right here I gotta extend these, and I will actually crimp down some male connectors, or I will cut those off and crimp them, and just use like a butt splice on it, and then fish it through all the way through to the other side, and then pop it through. I actually have snakes for this at my job because I do electrical work, but I will actually pop these down the old school way, all these pins, to show you guys, just because I know most of you guys won't be having these tools at home. Alright guys, so I zip tied all the way up to make sure that these won't contort, and I stay true to the body line so when the hood falls down it won't go past where it needs to go, and then this way I can snake the wires through past the actual battery right here and go to the fuse panel, because I don't want to go direct to the actual lugs. Alright guys, so you want to take off the top row of pins so that you can snake your wire through. At this moment, I tell you to like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build it up. Alright guys, I tapped into this fuse right here. I paused the screen so you could see the location of where I put it in. That's how everything looks now. All cleaned up. Came out good, looks stock. Can't even tell. Tucked underneath. Alright guys, as you can see, I got them all wired up top right there. You can see them through the vents. The Drake muscle vents. Alright guys, so this is how it came out when it's done. Looks killer. And yeah, did this all for, cheap. Didn't use cheap products, but got the price down cheap, and goes along with the build. Looks great. Thanks for watching through all the way. I'm going to show you a little bit at night and how it looked. I did make this about a year or two ago, this video, and they still work great today. Thank you, YouTube, for sticking through. Anybody who has watched, I did this mod about a year and a half ago, if not a little longer, and they still work great. Just make sure you subscribe and like and help me grow this channel. I do restorations on the side, and I will be trying to save up to open up a shop that restores cars one day. Thanks again, guys, and stay tuned if you want to see custom features just like this or really cool custom cars getting built. Alright, guys, thanks again.